Look at it.
Okay. Hi. I'm supposed to come in and file this. I need a copy.
Is it on a specific motion? Are you asking to dismiss a motion or the case?
The case.
Are these just for your records?
Yes. If I wanted to get the packet, if I decided to go with a public defender, where would I get that?
There's just like the thing that you fill out to see
If I qualify?
Here's these. I don't know what's up with our copier, but the two different copies, I won't charge you.
Oh, there's our recorder.
Here, it's just that copy.
Okay. The other copy I said filed. It doesn't have to say that? No? I just don't want to get in trouble.
This is an order, so
Gotcha.
I can't stamp it
Gotcha,
without
gotcha.
the judge signing it.
Thank you.
Mr. Esquivel, have you filed a request with the court for
Yes, sir, June 8th.
discovery?
June 8th. And
With
then I
the-
filed a motion to dismiss June 19th because I wasn't getting none of my evidence. And I have copies of both. The motion to dismiss was June 19th. I sent you a hard copy through snail mail, and I sent you
Hold
an
on a
email with
second.
it.
You need to
Sorry.
address me, not him, okay?
I'm sorry.
Can you check to see if there's anything on it?
Okay, just a second. When I pull up the court's record, Mr. Esquivel, I don't see any copies of any of these things that have been filed.
I'll email them to Mr.
That's not filing
Oh.
them with the court. You've got to understand that. Mr.
No, I meant
Brady,
the
put
copies.
your arm down.
My copies say filed on it, so I meant I was going to email him the copy so he could see that I did. That's all I meant by that, sir.
There's nothing that's been filed with the court.
Okay, I can send copies. I really did file it.
Mr. Esquivel, I don't know how many times we need to have this discussion. You cannot just continue to represent yourself and
Hey, I'll
ignore all of the court's rules. You can't do that. If you're going to represent yourself, you have to learn the rules and follow them.
I'll take a lawyer, Your Honor. I'll take a lawyer right now. I can't. I'm doing this stuff. I'm filing it, and I have it on video. I have copies of it. I don't know what else to say.
Your Honor, can I just express
That's
one
fine,
concern
go
that I have? This will be the third lawyer that Mr. Esquivel is going through, which, I mean, he has a right to his attorney, and I'm not trying to infringe upon that right. He's already had one public defender, and my recollection is after Mr. Albright, I want to say Mr. Fugino was appointed, but I'm not certain. There was someone else in the interim, and he specifically rejected any sort of public defender. And now months have elapsed since the time that he got rid of his public defender, rejected any other public defender, and now as we're getting closer to trial, he's requesting another attorney. And frankly, I don't anticipate an attorney, and I forget what our trial date is. It's September, October. I mean, it's going to be a lot to find an attorney who has those dates open and is able to get through all of the discovery and be ready to go by October. It's just, I don't know what the court wants to do. It's just really frustrating. On the one hand, Mr. Escobar keeps saying he just wants his day in court, but everything that he's doing contradicts that. We'd like to get this case over with, and we have a right to a trial too. But, I mean, his conduct, in the state's opinion, is obstructive, and it's kind of delaying. I mean, it's almost delay tactics.
I was here, sir, last month, July 10th, because I thought court was supposed to be and it was canceled. For the last 2 months, I've been trying to get this full discovery. I did file the motion for it June 8th, and I have proof.
No, you didn't file a motion. You got to understand what we mean by file.
Yes, sir.
By
That's what I
file,
don't understand. I'm sorry for
You
that.
present it to the court clerk's office.
And she stamped it filed, sir.
Well, they didn't put it in this record,
Okay,
and that does
that's
not
why I
happen.
wanna go
In
back
that
to the
does
state
not
bar.
happen in this court. Okay.
Okay.
So it
Yes,
was
sir.
never properly filed.
Okay, sir. I'm trying. I'm doing it. I did file it. I'm sorry.
Okay.